Hello. Now I'm going to show you how to create and use your digital human twin, your double or your clone on the web, whichever you prefer to call it. The TwinH twin is a virtual representation of yourself, created from the data you provide. And you might wonder, what is the point of having a digital twin? Imagine you are a teacher. By creating your digital twin and training it, it can offer your students consultations 24 hours a day, every day of the year, while you are resting. How does this sound? Check out these examples. Hi, Professor. Could you please tell me which part of the subject I should study about integrals? Here you go. 1. Definite integral. 2. Indefinite integral. 3. Fundamental theorem of calculus. Oh, and don't forget the improper integrals. Then, the student appears in a medical consultation. Hi, please give my doctor a summary of your health, but in Spanish. Hello, doctor. I am 20 years old, in good general health, with presbyopia and low vision. I have no allergies or dependencies. I play paddle tennis 1 to 2 times a week and follow a low-carb diet. I don't smoke or drink alcohol. My last medical checkups were more than 6 months ago. So as you can see, it's time to create your twin and train it to assist you and earn money for you. Just visit phyself.com or download the TwinH app from Phyself.